Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Escalade. A full-size luxury SUV, the Cadillac Escalade stands for A-list style. Thrilling, yet effortless performance combined with advanced luxury and technology that's on the leading edge of the industry makes the Escalade an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, remote engine start, traction control, power steering, cruise control, voice-activated navigation system, power brakes, heated steering wheel, compass, airbags, front, center. Come take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.